Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. This is a product from IKEA that I just bought. Okay, so it's called FANTASTISK. A lot of it actually called FANTASTISK is the same thing. Okay, and this is the description and the pictures. Some of the pictures. Let's see. Okay, and then the details. Okay. And then product details. Alright, material and care, paper, and then measurements, like that. Choose a different size. Okay, now this is only one size that I want. So, okay, paper napkin, done. Let's see what else below. I will check on wood. What is tissue paper? Okay, read that. Okay, bye. Let's see on. Okay, that's it. Alright, so I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. So let's unboxing it and look into the product. So yeah, more brighter. 24. Okay, nothing on the side. So this is behind. Oh, it's not there. Okay. Okay. Alright. Nothing on the side. Okay, let's unboxing and see how was it. Okay. Oh, it's pretty soft, but actually for this size, it stands alright. If to compare the bigger size like this, it's considered soft. Okay, and for this size, it's considered pretty well. Okay, and I'm gonna open it so you can see the whole thing. Okay, this one fly, but going to be like 4 flies in here. And look at the details. Look at that, the emboss. Okay, and this goes well with the paper napkin serviette stand, paper napkin serviette stand, like this example that I just bought also but this is no more in IKEA. I mean no more in IKEA selling because of it's for the winter or the Christmas. So example, this is too big. Oh no. Let me, I think this is no good, sorry. Yeah. Example like this, only one. Okay, but if it's a bit more, like how many pieces, 20, 30 pieces, like that. Okay, all right, so thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.